Samyang Optics. A 45-year journey with optics. In 1972, Samyang began manufacturing interchangeable lenses for SLR cameras, and has since expanded into a whole new optical world. With the introduction of Samyang's VDSLR lineup, the company has begun the creation of a new market for video-only interchangeable lenses, in line with the rapidly developing video content-oriented market. But this is only the start. As the Xeen lens for professional film production continues to be well received by the market, Samyang continues to innovate. With 40 years of research and development under its belt, Samyang has delivered industry-leading products such as the Premium Lens XP and AF lenses with fast and accurate autofocus. In 2017, Samyang Optics was listed on the Nasdaq following a strong period of growth and stability, and has been selected as a top 300 world-class company, reaffirming its position as a global leader in the optical industry. Satisfaction, more than you can imagine. Samyang Optics.